How to start a Facebook account. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to start a Facebook account or to create a Facebook account. In order to create a Facebook account, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with you'll need to install the application. For that, head over to your respective Play Store and then on the search box type in Facebook. Once you type in Facebook, click the install button and wait for the application to be installed. In my case, I already have installed the application. Now go ahead and open up. So once you open up your Facebook account, it's going to take you to this kind of interface where it's going to ask you to select whether to log in into your account or to create an account. If you already have an account, then go ahead and tap on login. But if you don't have an account, click on create new account. Now to begin with, go through all of the statement, and to continue with the procedure, type in the name, that is your first name, and then the last name. After that, go ahead and tap the next button. For the age verification, provide in your date of birth. After that, click the set button and click the next button. Now, in order to describe your gender type, go ahead and select the one and click the next button. Provide in your phone number. So on the other page, you'll be asked to provide in your contact details. For that, you could either provide in your phone number or an email address. Select either one of it and you'll be able to, and then click the next button. On the other page, you'll be asked to create a password. Since you're creating an account, it's mandatory for you to create a password. And as soon as you're done creating a password, your account has been successfully set up. Now you can start with adding a profile picture, adding friends and family, adding bio, and all sort of thing. So in this way you can start a Facebook account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.